speaker or a recording, sometimes you just want to know some specific information or a particular detail. For example, you might be listening to a recorded phone message for a business, and all you really want to know is the hours the store will be open tomorrow. You don't care about the rest of it. Some tests will also measure your ability to listen for particular details or pieces of information in a passage. Listening for details in spoken English can be pretty tough. Sometimes it can feel like the listening passage goes by too fast, or that it has too many details to keep track of all of them. Other times, it can be hard to pick specific details out of the passage, especially when they're phrased differently in the passage than they are in the questions. In this lesson, you'll learn how to tackle those problems. Use keywords and phrases as alerts to help you find information, but don't rely only on that. Take bullet point notes to help you remember everything. Practice rephrasing information so you won't be thrown off by different phrasing. If you're listening for specific information or details, you can use key words or phrases in the question to help you know what to listen for. Key words are important words relevant to the thing you're listening for. For example, let's say you're listening to a passage about different dog breeds. You're listening for a specific piece of information. What breed of dog won Best in Show at the 2017 Westminster Dog Show? Can you think of some key words that you might listen for in the passage? Maybe you said something like Best in Show or Westminster Dog Show. Those are key words that will alert you that you might be coming up on the information you want. But don't rely just on that. For example, you might be listening and hear, "The first Best in Show award at the Westminster Dog Show wasn't given until 1907. The lucky winner that year was a smooth fox terrier." This passage has all your key words, but it doesn't have the information you're looking for. This passage tells you the first winner, not the 2017 winner. So it's not the information you want. That's why you can't rely only on key words. Use key words to help you, but remember, they can't think for you. If you're wondering, the 2017 winner was a German Shepherd. Another tip when you're listening for details is to take bullet point notes. Sometimes you have to listen for more than one piece of information in a passage, or you might be trying to listen for the main idea as well as several different pieces of information. It can be hard to keep all of that straight in your head. Taking even very quick notes can help with this. Try jotting down just your keywords and a word or two to remind yourself of the answer. For example, in the dog show passage, you might wait until you actually get to the part about the 2017 winner, and then write down 2017 Best in Show German Shepherd. Another suggestion to improve your detail listening skills, practice rephrasing information. This will help you catch information that's phrased in slightly different ways on the test. For example, maybe the test question asks you which general defeated the Roman army at the Battle of Cannae, and in the listening passage you hear, "In 216 BC, the Battle of Cannae was a decisive defeat for the Romans, Hannibal's army." If you're good at rephrasing information in English, it'll be easier for you to identify this part of the listening passage as having the information that you need. You can practice rephrasing by taking a question and seeing how many ways you can rephrase the sentence giving you the answer. For example, here's a question. What general brought war elephants all the way from Africa to attack Rome? The answer is the Carthaginian general Hannibal. Can you think of a few ways to phrase a sentence that would give you the information? Here are a few examples. When he attacked Rome, the Carthaginian general Hannibal brought war elephants all the way from Africa. Hannibal, a Carthaginian general, is known for bringing war elephants all the way from Africa to attack Rome. When the Romans fought the Carthaginian general Hannibal, they also had to fight the war elephants that he brought all the way from Africa. There are lots of possible answers to this one. These three are just examples. Listening for specific information and details can be challenging. In this lesson, we went over a few ways to prepare. Can't find the information you need in a listening passage? Listen for keywords. Just don't rely on them to think for you. Passage goes by too fast? Too many details? Take short bullet point notes. Caught up by information that's phrased in a slightly different way? Practice rephrasing sentences until you're familiar with different ways to phrase the same thing.